how to buy XCN token on HTX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. Now before that, if you don't have an account on HTX, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on HTX to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now after that, click on markets here and you will be able to see the HTX. Click on pair here and you will be able to react to your account on HTX. So after that, what you need to do, go down here and you will be able to see this buy section. Click on limits here and type here how much you want to buy of XCN. So after that, what you need to do, here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account. After that, click on buy XCN. If you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. And after that, click on buy XCN and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy XCN token on HTX. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.